In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito Mode in Mozilla Firefox. If you'd like to browse the web without saving your browsing history, cookies, or temporary site data after you close your browsing session, Mozilla Firefox offers a feature called private browsing. While some browsers refer to this as Incognito Mode, Firefox uses the name private browsing. It's a convenient option whenever you want to browse with a little more privacy on your computer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a private browsing window in Firefox. To begin, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Once the browser has loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click the Application menu. This menu is represented by 3 horizontal lines and provides access to many of Firefox's features and settings. When the menu appears, select New Private Window. As soon as you click this option, Firefox will open a new browser window in private browsing mode. You'll notice that the new window has a different appearance from a regular browsing window, making it easy to recognize that you're browsing privately. From this point on, you can visit websites, sign into accounts, and browse the web within the private browsing window. Firefox will not save your browsing history, search history, or cookies from this session after all private browsing windows have been closed. This makes it useful when you're using a shared computer or simply don't want your recent browsing activity to be stored in the browser. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Firefox also provides a faster way to open a private browsing window. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and P on your keyboard at the same time. The browser will immediately open a new private browsing window without needing to access the application menu. Keep in mind that private browsing only affects what Firefox stores on your computer. Websites you visit, your internet service provider, your employer or school if you're using their network, and other network administrators may still be able to see your online activity. Private browsing is designed to prevent local browsing data from being saved after your session ends, but it doesn't make you completely anonymous online. When you're finished browsing privately, simply close the private browsing window. Once all private windows have been closed, Firefox will automatically remove the browsing history, cookies, and temporary data associated with that private session. That's all there is to it. Opening a private browsing window in Mozilla Firefox is quick, easy, and provides a convenient way to browse without leaving your browsing history behind on your computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,